Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a post. So you go to what's on your mind, and then this will show up right away. So you can choose default audience. So you can public, which means anyone on or off Facebook can see your post, or just your friends on Facebook, or friends accept. So you choose who you don't want that person to see, or you can go to specific friends. So who only people who wants to see, or just myself. So this is example only me, and then I can write what I want to post. So what's on my mind. For example, I just want to post to remind myself that I just bought my baby a new toy. So okay, after that I can just press post, or I can also add how I'm feeling. For example, I'm feeling happy, so that it says Jihan is feeling happy. So once I'm done, I can just press post on the top right, and then it's loading, and then it's posted. As you can see, there is the lock logo there. That means only I can see it. So I can still edit the post, um, and then so if I want to edit, I can just type in anything I want. For example, and we use very happy, and then press save, and my post is published. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching.